Hi, I'm Tanya Labe, Executive Director of the Nehemiah Center. The Nehemiah Center provides a nurturing Christian environment and high-quality academic and enrichment programs to almost 200 economically at-risk children and their families. We serve children from age 3 through 17, providing transportation, nutritional meals, and therapeutic resources. We have a pre-K program for 3 and 4-year-olds, a middle school for 6th, 7th, and 8th graders, and an after-school program for kinder through 12th graders. Our goal is to follow each child from pre-K through college. Children who graduate from high school and have participated in our after-school program can apply for the Fred C. Alcorn Scholarship, which provides financial assistance so they can pursue a trade, certification, or a college degree. I often say the work we do at the Nehemiah Center is gritty, heart-wrenching, and difficult. I believe the founders of the Nehemiah Center understood this and recognized the need for us to reach out to a hurting community. The Nehemiah Center was founded by members of First Presbyterian Church who volunteered as tutors at McGregor Elementary. They found that many of the children they were working with were unsupervised after school. The Nehemiah Center provided the children with a safe haven to go and complete their homework and have a nutritious meal. Since then, the center has grown from having just an after-school program to offering numerous programs for children and their parents. Our Family Services program invests in rebuilding the lives of the entire family by providing crisis counseling, GED, and parent education classes. Without the Nehemiah Center, these children and their families might lack access to the most basic necessities like health care, nutrition, housing, early childhood development programs, and educational services that help them prepare for college and future careers. Please partner with us as we continue to transform the lives of the families we serve. Your investment will ensure that they have the crucial support they need. Thank you.